Ladies and gentlemen, men and women of the AM Club, welcome back to the show. My name is Godwin Nambo, and of course I'm doing this with Edma Ohima Lawe. Exciting show has been so far, and we are wrapping it with our last conversation, and we have a special guest all the way from, I was going to say Josie, all the way from South Africa. Oh my goodness, and she is beautiful. She's an actress. She's a motivational speaker. She's a fitness coach. She's many things, or fitness guru, rather, I should say. She's many things, and she is Angel Pooe.
Yes.
Did I say it well?
Yes,
you
did.
Angel Pooe. I did very well. Welcome to the show.
Welcome to the show, Angel. So Angel is already like a friend of mine. So I mean,
of course,
I'm so excited to have her on the show.
Well, then let me get to know you.
Yes,
Angel.
exactly.
This is not your first time in Ghana, is it?
It is.
Oh wow.
It is. Yeah.
Wow. How long have you been around?
It's been a week. It's been a whole week,
a week.
I came last Sunday.
You turned to Edma like, oh, you
No,
remember when you picked me at the airport? You remember when you picked me up at the airport and we hanged out and all that?
Yeah.
Anyways, but for the sake of our conversation, I want people to know who you are.
Okay.
So let's check out your latest movie.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's called Rockville.
Rockville, yes.
Let's take a look and we'll come back and have the conversation.
Presidential suite, Renella reservation.
Oh, sure thing, ma'am. If I may please have some form of identification, please.
Of course.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Your ID and your room keys. Thank you. That should be enough. The porter will take you upstairs to your room.
It's fine. Look like that's it. And then?
Easy, queen it is. But book the presidential suite, but book now walk up a room around the presidential suite.
What's with that?
Well, there you have it.
Just smiling.
There you have it. Let's talk a little bit about Rockville, shall we? So, of course, it was shot in South Africa.
Yes, it was.
Is it a comedy?
No, it's one of the biggest shows in South Africa.
Okay, so it's a series.
It is a series.
Okay.
And I've worked with all their productions.
Yeah.
It's called Rockville. Okay. So on that scene, I literally booked the whole presidential suite.
Wow.
Listen. Wow. I'm the rich auntie there.
You were living your character.
I was. Wow.
Crazy rich South Africans.
I know, right? Crazy rich Asians, yes. So how has it been like being an actress in South Africa? Is it like an industry that is easy? Because he's an actor here in Ghana. Oh. So is it like an industry that is easy for you, or is easy for you to go into, or you have to like really work hard to get there?
Oh my goodness, it's not easy. It's not easy. You have to be headstrong.
Yeah.
You have to know why you're getting into the industry.
Yeah.
Don't go in because of fame.
Yeah.
Because you'll end up doing wrong things in order for you to get the fame.
Yeah.
Right? So when you get in there, make sure that your talent speak for itself.
Yes, of course.
And then you need to make sure that you get into business as well. Because honestly speaking, our industry is not stable. You cannot depend on just the acting.
Ma'am, listen. So it's not just West Africa.
Yeah.
It's also in South Africa.
Yes.
But you know, over here we seem to think that the business over there is way better. I mean, the closest you can get to Hollywood in Africa is South Africa, not even Nigeria.
Yeah.
So it's amazing to hear you say that you face the same challenges.
Yeah.
And you did mention if you go into it for fame, you might do all the wrong things.
That's
What are some of those wrong things? We know what happens here in West Africa, but tell us about South Africa.
Yeah.
Well,
as a woman's perspective, of course.
as a woman's
Oh,
perspective.
as an actor, really, basically.
Right? Any new face, you get, it's like a fly, like there's so many flies that are going into that new thing.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Everybody wants a piece of it.
Yeah. Right.
So if you're not careful, the wrong people will whisper wrong things in your ears, right? And you'll end up doing things, finding yourself in people's beds and all of those things, and which those things can taint your brain.
Yeah.
So you need to be sure that you make sure you do the right things.
Yeah.
And you're not there for fame.
Yeah, but not only are you into acting, you're also into banking and finance. Tell us a bit about that. You used to work for, or still work for a bank?
Oh, I used to work for a bank as an
Yeah.
accounts manager,
Yeah.
and I left it because I needed to focus on my business. I have a cleaning services and
Yeah.
detergent supply as well. I do a lot of things. That's
Yes,
why you cannot
yes.
you cannot just be an actress.
Yes.
Yes.
And also the fact that you have, as a woman, I feel like women need to be able to afford themselves.
Right.
Absolutely.
You know, and okay, into banking, I did accounts management. I was an accounts manager. Sorry. And I was working with Standard Bank,
Yeah.
which is Stanbic Bank here.
Yeah, here in Ghana,
Yes.
yeah.
And on the side, I'm also doing financial advice, which is something that I do as a freelancer.
You really are rich,
I'm
auntie.
telling you,
You
a
really
woman
are
of
rich,
so much
auntie.
talent.
So you're in Ghana for business or for pleasure? You didn't see that coming, did you?
Okay, I am in Ghana to...
Probably both. I mean,
For
why
both,
not?
right?
Yeah,
For
why
both.
not?
I mean, I found a king here, and
Oh,
other than that,
ladies
I'm
and
here
gentlemen.
to meet like-minded people
Yes.
in the different fields that I'm
Yeah.
in, so that we can collaborate and share our experiences and see how we can grow South Africa.
Yeah.
I almost said South Africa. Africa.
Yeah, together.
So let me pick your mind. Which have you seen any Ghanaian movies?
Well, yeah. Ghanaian? I'm not sure.
You're not sure if you've seen any Ghanaian.
Yeah.
Do you know any Ghanaian actor, celebrity? Apart from musicians, of course, I'm talking about
I'm
actors.
sure the musicians is quite a few.
Yeah, musicians. Quite a
Musicians,
few.
you know.
Yeah.
Who do you know?
I know.
I know. I want to make sure she knows the king. Wait, I want to know.
Put her on the spot.
I know.
I know she
I
knows
don't know,
quite
she's
a
gonna
few. She
mention
knows,
Nigeria.
she knows
She's gonna
quite a few.
I know quite a few. I
Yeah,
know
she knows quite a few.
Yeah, I know quite
Anyways,
a
but
few.
are you looking forward to collaborate, like to work here? For some reason, maybe you want to do some collaborations here.
Absolutely,
Maybe in
yeah.
some
Absolutely,
Ghanaian productions,
Yes.
Nigerian, West African productions.
Absolutely. Even if it's something that has to do with giving back.
Yeah.
I have a foundation,
Yeah.
and I look after 51 homes in the rural areas in South Africa.
Wow.
And I'm
That's
hoping
amazing.
to do more. I love giving back. So
Yeah.
even if there's a project that requires me to just be a part of it,
Yeah.
to hand things out, to help people, or to educate, either it's acting. I'm going to do a series of workshops when I go back,
Yeah.
teaching people theater, because I started in theater and into television, because it's different.
Yeah.
The actors that started in theater are different. They're not the
Yeah.
same.
Talk to me, man.
They
He
are
did
not
the
the
same.
same.
Talk to me, man. They do not understand.
Yeah, they don't. So
Yeah.
that's what I'm doing. Anything that has to do with giving back and applying myself and learning more. I
Yeah.
enjoy learning from other people as well.
We want to glean as much from you. Okay, so we've spoken about your profession as an actor, maybe banking and finance.
banking, NGO,
Now the
foundation.
NGO part, I want to
Yeah.
know. You take care of 51 homes.
Yes.
Tell us about it.
Okay, so the team and I I've always loved giving back. And I feel like I'm in the industry, in the entertainment industry, as a pathway, or rather as a way for me to connect with people from different fields and different fields as well. So the foundation has been a part of me. I did it before I got it registered.
Oh wow! Okay.
Yeah, I always
Yeah.
involved myself with anything that has to do with giving back.
Yeah.
And what we do is, okay, right now when I go back, I have collected school shoes.
Right.
I'll be handing them out to those
Amazing.
children from 4 local primary schools.
Yeah.
And there's other projects that we are working on. So
Okay.
I'm always finding ways to just help somebody to smile, because honestly, people are going through a lot.
Absolutely.
We are blessed.
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
are blessed.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
I totally agree.
And I'm going to glean as much as I can from you. We have some time. Let's compare. You've only been here for a week,
Yes.
but let's do some comparisons. Have you learned
Okay.
any language in Ghana? You said you found a Kenya. We might not go into that. You probably don't want to go
Yes.
into that. Do you want to go into that?
No,
Okay.
but I
Hey,
don't.
why you know? Wow,
I answered
Edma.
it for her.
Edma.
Okay,
Is Edma your
I answered
agent?
it for
Is she your
her.
manager?
Yes,
Who's your-
yes, I answered it for
Who's
her.
your king? Who's your king?
No,
Let me
so
ask-
let me ask you, what food have you tasted so far in
Oh,
Ghana that
Edma.
you love? I think I know, but just say it.
I love wache.
Wache,
Wache.
yes.
Did I say that?
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
wache, that
wache.
one.
Yeah, it's my favorite.
And compare. Have you learned any language, any word
So today
Ghana.
for Lifestyle Daily, we spoke about being multilingual and
Okay.
the advantages of knowing how to speak more than one language.
Okay.
So in terms of any dialects here, have you learned a few words?
I have.
Okay.
I think mache. Does it mean good morning?
Mache.
Yes,
Wow.
yes, good.
It's amazing. Of all the things you can
It's
learn.
a saying, I think.
Yeah.
It is saying is
Yes,
very
saying,
easy. How are
Yes.
you?
Yeah.
How are you?
So I can hear a bit of, a bit of tree.
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah.
But I'm very.
She said that really good as well. She
Yeah,
said
tree.
Yeah, the way you said it,
Some
because
people
usually
say
people say
tree
tree or
and
something.
all.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
So you said that really well
That's
as well.
good.
The kid is
Okay.
teaching her well.
So now, in
Let's-
terms of places that you visited in Ghana, do you remember any so far?
No, I don't remember the names,
Names,
but
yeah.
we've been to so many places.
Places,
Oh,
yeah.
one of the places that I was so amazed by is the prayer garden
Okay.
at the mountains.
Anakazo.
Anakazo.
Yes,
Oh, Lord.
You went to the prayer mountain?
Yes,
Wow.
that's amazing.
Yeah.
Wha-
I pray
okay,
a lot.
you know
We
what?
pray a
Amazing
lot.
place.
Wow.
Anything
Yeah.
that has to involve God.
Yeah.
You
find
went to
me there.
Anakazo?
Yeah.
Yes.
Of all places, I mean, you think that, that's amazing.
Well, yeah, it's an
That's-
amazing
that's-
place.
That's
it's
amazing
beautiful.
too.
That's where
Yeah.
my sister got married, so I remember.
Ah.
Yeah, right on top of the
Beautiful.
mountain.
It's beautiful.
It's a beautiful place,
Yeah.
indeed. And in comparison, have you seen some similarities to South Africa here in Ghana? Of course, we're all black, so
Yeah.
Right.
Okay, I'd say that. Let me start with the driving. Wow.
Everybody said that.
it's like
We had Caesar on the show, and he said exactly the same thing. How busy
It is.
the city is, and even who else do we have that was from South Africa that mentioned the traffic? In our cities as well.
The traffic and the driving is like extreme sports.
Yeah.
I don't think I'll be able to drive here because, in South Africa, when you get to a stop sign, you wait.
you stop.
Yeah.
You stop.
Yeah.
And you wait for the person. If the person got there first,
Yeah.
you wait for them to drive,
Yeah.
and then it's your turn. Here, I don't
Yeah,
see that
there's nothing
happening.
like that.
don't see
Okay,
that
and what else can I ask you?
I mean, have you
when
ever
it comes to
thought of
Ghana?
starting some projects here as well in Ghana?
I'm availing myself for anything that
Yeah.
would contribute to what I am doing.
Yeah,
Doing.
absolutely.
And
Absolutely.
there's a few projects that are coming up. I think people will see them on my social
Yeah.
media.
Yeah.
I'm excited to be here because I'm learning a lot of
Yeah.
things, and the people here are friendlier than my people.
That's
That's another
one thing.
thing.
we
That's one
always
thing
have
that we
here.
are known for,
Yeah.
our hospitality.
Yes,
Go
yes.
Ghana.
Anyway,
Yeah.
so today's Travel Tuesday. We on Tuesdays on the show we do
Okay.
Travel Tuesday.
Yeah.
So aside Ghana, let's do some travel talk.
Okay.
And ask you, what would be your top 3 favorite places in the world? Places you've been and places you'd like to
want to go.
you'd like to
yeah.
go.
Oh wow.
Top 3
Top 3.
from 3.
I would like to go to. I'd like to go to. I never thought of it.
Wow.
I never thought of it.
Wow.
I'm one of those people. If I think of if I can plan a trip now,
Yeah.
I pack my
Oh,
bag
you're
now and
spontaneous.
leave now.
Yeah.
Very
Like
much.
Miss
Yeah,
Drew said,
Miss Drew,
Miss Drew said, you
yeah.
just
Very much.
get up
Okay,
and
yeah.
go.
So you never actually thought of like 3 countries that I will
like-
actually ask you that as well. What 3
You haven't?
countries?
Oh,
yeah,
well,
would you
of
want
course
to
I
go
like to go to
to?
the UK because I think I don't know.
want
I've
to
always
go to
been
UK?
connected to the UK.
Okay.
There's something about the UK that I love.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think it's the culture, it's the people,
Okay.
it's how old-fashioned they are. They're reserved. Are they not? In terms of the food, the clothes. I mean, I've always admired that about the UK. No, I'm not talking about your life. You're rough. No, I'm not talking about those
Please,
people.
that's not where I grew up. I'm sorry, I grew up in a fountain.
I mean, I like to go to the UK. I like to
Okay.
go to France.
Okay.
I like to see France.
Where in
the
France,
French.
though?
Of
Is that
course,
saying I want
Paris,
to go
the
to
capital.
Africa?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's big.
Wow.
No, but it is. It's
France
like
is
I
not
want
a
to go to
continent,
Africa.
it's a country.
Yeah, it's a country, but where in France would you want
So
to go?
if she says she wants to come to Ghana, does it mean she has to go to Kumasi or she
No,
has to go
but
to
where
the
would
north?
you want to go in
I don't know.
France?
Paris is the main
Okay,
place.
yeah,
So
I guess.
I mean, I like to see Paris. France,
yeah.
I like to. I think another country I like to see between Germany and Australia,
Just European countries.
mainly. I mean, I'm not fascinated about America. I don't know why America
Okay.
doesn't.
Yeah.
Oh wait! I like to go to the Barbados.
Okay,
Okay.
yes. And you
Okay,
want to go to
that's
Jamaica as
The
well?
islands,
nice.
yes, I like to see the
I think
islands.
Jamaica,
Yeah.
I like to see the islands.
Yeah.
I mean, the water, the
Exactly,
people,
yeah.
beautiful
Brilliant.
people, the good
Yeah.
food, and all
Okay.
that. So, how many languages do you speak?
I speak all 11 languages in South Africa.
What?
Wow, so
Yes.
Zulu.
Xhosa,
Xhosa.
Swati, Ndebele, Tswana, Sotho, Pedi. Yes, all of them.
You speak 11
Wow.
languages in South Africa.
That's amazing.
Wow.
Yes.
And you learned all this in school?
In school, like I said, I like working with people, and
Yes.
I'm very much interested in languages,
Yeah.
and I love learning,
Yeah.
literally.
So what is your language or your dialect that you speak from your tribe?
I am Tswana.
Okay,
Yeah, from the
Tswana.
Botswana.
Tswana.
I'm
Okay.
from the Royal Botswana village.
Oh, okay. So
Ooh,
how do you
Botswana
say,
village.
hello, my name is Angel?
Dumelang, Lina Lakake Angel.
That's your language.
Yeah, that's her
So how
language.
do you say? I know Xhosa.
Yes.
Is that it?
Yeah,
Is the
Xhosa.
one with the
Xhosa.
with the
Yeah.
clicks?
With the
Yeah,
clicks,
The clicks.
yeah.
So how do you say? I'm happy to see you. In
Okay.
Xhosa.
Xhosa, or how do you say? Good morning. How are you?
In Xhosa,
Yeah.
molweni unjani.
I want to hear a click.
It's not,
There's not, you know,
Always up here.
it doesn't
that's
always
what-
come
yeah,
in.
yeah.
Oh goodness.
Okay. Okay, so hello, good morning in Zulu? Or hello?
Sabona kunjani. That's in Zulu.
Oh, Zulu sounds really cool. It sounds
Yeah,
easy.
yeah, it
Yeah.
is.
It's
yeah.
like, no,
And
very
in
easy.
Johannesburg, a lot of people speak Zulu.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. So it's very easy for you to pick up the language.
yeah. It's like tree here. I
Yeah.
see that a lot of people speak
Yeah,
tree
yeah,
here.
yeah.
Yeah. So in South Africa, it's mostly Zulu.
Zulu.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, my
okay.
goodness.
That's interesting.
Angel
love that.
Pooe. Wow. So it's a pleasure to meet you, and
Thank
it's
you.
glad to know all these things you're doing. Of course, you're on social media, aren't you?
Yes.
I am.
So if anybody wants to follow you or contact you, where do they go to?
All the social platforms is Angel Pooe,
Okay.
P-O-O-E. All social platforms, TikTok,
Everywhere.
YouTube, everywhere, all of them. Yeah.
Okay. Well, there
Well,
you have
well,
it.
there you have it. Indeed. Angel Pooe, thanks for coming on
Thank
the
you
show.
so much for having
I
me.
wish you
You're
all the best
welcome.
here in Ghana.
Yes. Thank
I'm sure.
you.
Edma, we'll talk. Anyways, guys, thank you for being a part of the show all as well. We'd like to say thank you to our guest who's been on the show, of course, starting off with Lifestyle Daily, where we discussed the advantages, the benefits, the importance of being multilingual. And Edma had a wonderful conversation with the lecturer from University of Ghana.
Yes.
You're trying to get a name, man.
Yes, I'm
I
trying
see
to
you
get
a name. And then the gentleman in the studio who speaks Chinese.
Okay, so we had Charles Benny, and we also have Professor Evershed Kwesi Amuzu.
Wonderful.
Yeah, for Lifestyle Daily.
And of course, for Travel Tuesday, we had Ms. Ju coming through as usual with her trip to Pram Pram. Remember, the full show is going to air on Friday at 5:30 p.m.
yeah.
on Moment. Don't miss out. And I'd like to say a big thank you to Angel Pooe,
Pooe.
actress, fitness guru, true, motivational speaker, all the way from South Africa, joining us. And from us here on the AM Club, I'd like to say a big thank you. My name is Godwin Nambo, at Godwin Nambo, on all social media platforms.
And my name is Edma Himalawe at Edma Lawe, EDMALAWER, on all social media platforms.
If you missed the show, make sure you catch it on our YouTube page. YouTube and Instagram? Or YouTube, just YouTube.
Yeah.
So on our YouTube page at MX24GH. We're back tomorrow with Fashion Wednesday.